We have an exciting giveaway to share with you. I'm so excited. We have had so many new people join this channel over the last year, and to celebrate that and to celebrate upcoming spring, I'm doing a giveaway for you all, and I'm really excited to share this with you. If you are an avid gardener, or even if you are a hobby gardener, you want to listen up. Hi friends, my name is Katie and I'm the creator of Rouse Rising. On this channel, I share with you all about holistic homemaking, lifestyle, and parenting. If that's something that interests you, I would love it if you would click the subscribe button and join the Rouse Rising family. We have a really good time here. Everybody in the comments has been great and really supportive. We have a pretty awesome community. So if you ever have any questions or something you want to say, definitely leave a comment down below in this video's description. I have partnered with Survival Garden Seeds to give one lucky subscriber the Ultimate Medicinal Herb Collection. This is 36 heirloom seed packets that you can have all in one place for your survival medicinal herbal garden. Grow an all-natural healing kit with these 36 medicinal herbs for your survival garden. Each variety can be used to make botanical salves, ointments, herbal teas, tinctures, extracts, or other wellness aids. You definitely want this in your arsenal. If you are a prepper, a home gardener, you need this. It comes in this resealable bag that will help you store your seeds for long-term storage. It's really crucial to keep your seeds dry and in a dark, cool location. You can store your seeds in here from future harvest by following the seed saving instructions on the back of each individual seed packet. So what's really neat is they also tell you how to save your seeds so that you don't have to buy more seeds. You can just keep reusing seeds, not reusing, but using the seeds from your future plants. If you let them go to seed, then you will have seeds forever. With this kit, you can get started on saving money on your medicinal remedies, all those herbal tinctures you see in the grocery store. Yeah, make your own. That's what I do. I buy some tinctures in the grocery store if I don't have herbs on hand, but I definitely do make quite a bit of tinctures here at home as we need them. One of my favorites is a mullein elderberry tincture that we use for coughs. I have been able to seed save plenty of mullein seeds to get me through a lifetime. And so you can forage mullein and seed save in the fall, and you can do that with a lot of herbs. But if you don't or can't or are unable to forage and find those things, then having a little backyard herbal garden is a great idea. So if you check linked down below in this video's description, you're gonna find the link to Survival Garden Seeds as well as all the information to enter the giveaway. You just click on the link and you can fill out your information for the giveaway. And once you enter the giveaway, then you can shop their website and see if there's anything that you fancy. They have all kinds of seed packets. And I'm gonna link all of this information down below in this video's description. If you would like to get your 36 heirloom seed packet for your ultimate medicinal herb collection, you all, this is what you want and this is what you need to add to your repertoire, your garden seed stash. You need to have your ultimate medicinal herb collection. This is non-hybrid, chemical-free seeds from survivalseeds.com. I've been using my survival garden seeds. I used some of them last summer and we were able to grow quite a few things with those, but like I said, I didn't have a huge garden. This year, I am going to grow a garden. I'm gonna attempt to do a garden as best I can this year. We do have some traveling going on and we do live in the high desert, so hopefully nothing dies while I'm out of town. So we're gonna be using some of these to make a medicinal herb garden, and then I will be freeze drying the herbs to travel with us. If you don't win this, definitely check out all of the seed packets down below. This is the one that's gonna be given away for free, but there are loads of other different types of seed packets available. You can get the farmer pack, you can get your small backyard garden pack. I mean, you just gotta look at it and maybe you'll win. We did do a giveaway last year. If you were here last year for the giveaway and you won, comment down below because this is the real deal. And we do give away free stuff and have a really good time doing it. So check it out, the Survival Garden Seeds link below. This Survival Garden Seeds giveaway for the 36 heirloom seed packets ends on February 25th, and the winner will be notified by email. So make sure that you enter to win your very own Survival Garden Seeds kit.